right here at Seawood Park right now. It's so freaking cold, wet, rainy. We're with everybody here right now. Look around.
We out here, it's about, what, 55, like 25 miles an hour. It's really bad. It's really bad, the conditions out here. Christian and I were here since 1 o'clock in the morning, and it started raining. Well, I've been here since 1 o'clock. He got here at 3, and it was raining. It was raining, and rapid winds were coming. And then another thing, they just installed these new lights at Seawhoop, and it's electrocuting. So y'all want to come out here? Y'all be careful and watch that voltage, because especially in rainy conditions, don't go out there because electricity is running through those piers, and and water conducts electricity. So be careful.
But we still don't care. We're still gonna try it. We're right here at the drum hole right now because it's too bad. Literally, the water hits on top of the pier, guys. But we're right here just having a good time, relaxing. Let's see how much we can handle, you know. Hopefully we catch some drums or some bull rays.
And we'll be back with 75 News.
Get the net.
The knee.
Table, bro.
Oh.
Table. What's that charger with the table? Hey, he coming.
Come on. Don't let him go down.
Hey, somebody flash it. Right on me beside it. Christian. Yeah. I need you to flash. Put your light to him. Stay right there. Hold on. Oh my God! It's so cold. Take your time. Hey, over.
You got stuck or what?
Got stuck, guys.
The string. The hook. The leader. There you go. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture while I'm recording.
26. Go.
So even though the weather was super bad, I still managed to catch me a nice black drum. And I wanted to give you an update on the black drum tournament. My dad got first place and I got a second place. I caught a 42.9 pound black drum and my dad got himself a 53.4 pounds. So yep, first and second place again this year.